Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start in Chrome's Downloads list. Press Ctrl+J or CMD+Shift+J to jump straight there. Once you see the paused entry, check its file size and source so you know what to expect. Make sure your network is stable and you have enough disk space. This prevents another interruption. If the item is still listed as active, don't click randomly. Instead, move to the next step to resume correctly, because resuming properly avoids duplicate files and saves time. Now, click the Resume button beside the paused download. This attempts to continue from the breakpoint, and Chrome will use remaining data to finish faster. If Resume fails, show the file in folder and delete that partial file, because corrupted partials block fresh downloads. Next, return to the original site and download again. Using the same link ensures you get the correct file version. Make sure to monitor network activity. Flaky connections often cause repeated failures. Once the download finishes, verify it appears as completed and open the file to confirm it isn't corrupted. If you still see errors, clear Chrome's cache or try incognito mode and re-download. This removes cached interference. If problems continue, disable extensions one by one or restart Chrome to isolate conflicts, or use a dedicated download manager to handle large files. Tip: if resuming repeatedly fails, check the server's status or try another network.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.